teacher, this is my homework. As can be seen in figure 1, this is the process of injection molding. There are six steps in this process. First, we move the polymer plate from the upper the cylinder. Second, an electric motor turns the screw in the injection molding. Next, the cold polymer uh, plate moves along the cylinder. Besides heater warm the polymer plate to turn the to turn them into a liquid. After that, the warm so molten polymer moves along the cylinder. Finally, the machine pushes the molten polymer out into the mouth.